Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Yes, 415 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle, the binary puzzle. In the in the newspaper of Monday, November 25th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. And not so good news in today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So only these three regular puzzles, and this will be number 9651. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double ones, Hano, Dano. 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 Now the double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's, 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 here one, there one. And now the double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Let me think. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O's, here one, there one. Come on. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this give me 1. This should be an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15. I think we need to compare now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot compare this column. How about this column? Double one here. No. Cannot compare this one. How about the rows then? Double one. Here we have a double one. Not the same. Not the same. How about here then? 101. 101. Double O. 1. Here. How about this row and that row? Let me compare. 1 empty box. Empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones here, no, there, no. 1 2 3 4, and this is number 5. Double check. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Double ones here, no, there, no. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct in 7 minutes. We solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Yeah. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.